What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'll be breaking down the 5 best robot vacuums in 2022. Through comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. So whether you're looking for something easy to use or powerful enough to handle anything you can throw at it, I'll have the perfect robot vacuum for you. I've included links in the description if you want more information on any of the products I mention, and I'll try to keep it updated for the best prices. Now let's get started with the video. First up, we have an easy-to-use, set-it-and-forget-it robot vacuum that can reliably and effectively clean your home with minimal supervision. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is a great all-around option for you to consider. iRobot is a well-respected name in the industry with several great options to choose from. Their Roomba i7 Plus model is a high-quality option that performs comparably to more premium options, and it utilizes some advanced technology to clean more efficiently. It has a sleek, low-profile design that can easily fit underneath household obstacles, and it has rubber-encased foam rollers to guide dirt into the chamber. The battery doesn't last as long as the higher-end Roomba S9 Plus, but it can still deliver around 75 minutes of continuous cleaning, so it's a good choice for medium-sized homes. It features an integrated HEPA filter that can capture up to 99% of microscopic airborne irritants while vacuuming, and it has anti-tangle multi-surface rubber brushes to effectively eliminate pet hair. I also like that it has a self-emptying dustbin when docked, so you won't need to manually clean it after each use. The companion app also allows you to customize specific routines, set cleaning maps, enable voice controls via Alexa or Google Assistant, and provides personalized cleaning suggestions. It delivers outstanding suction power that's suitable for nearly any application, and it utilizes a premium 3-stage cleaning system that can reliably clean a range of surfaces. You also get a VSLM navigation system that can quickly map the layout of your home and store up to 10 profiles to deliver optimal cleaning in specific rooms. It also comes with Dirt Detect technology, which automatically recognizes locations with a high concentration of dirt and provides additional cleaning power as needed. The Roomba i7 Plus is a great all-around option because of its customizable settings and routines, convenient self-emptying dustbin, 3-stage cleaning system, and more efficient performance than cheaper models like the Botvac D7. If you want a good mixture of performance, ease of use, affordability, and long-term functionality, this might be the best choice for you. For anyone who wants a quality robot vacuum that offers enough power for almost any cleaning requirement and intuitive controls at a reasonable price, the Neato Botvac D7 Connected is my choice as the best option for the money in 2022. The Botvac D7 has an impressive price-to-performance ratio and several smart features designed for user convenience. It has a D-shaped design to clean closer to corners, a HEPA filter to trap airborne allergens, and a companion app with many useful functions. Not everyone can afford a high-end option like the Roomba S9 Plus, and the Neato Botvac D7 Connected is a more affordable alternative that offers an impressive price-to-performance ratio, an efficient D-shaped design, and a built-in HEPA filter to remove microscopic airborne irritants. Like the S9 Plus, it features a D-shaped design to clean corners and hard-to-reach areas more efficiently than traditional round vacuums, although it's somewhat tall and has a raised section, so it might not be able to fit underneath some low-profile furniture. It comes with an accessible 0.7-liter dustbin that provides enough space for most cleaning applications and medium-sized spaces. The controls are intuitive to use, and it has a single button that can control the power, toggle through cleaning modes, and restart the vacuum if it gets trapped. The battery is also solid considering the price and can deliver up to 120 minutes of cleaning time to effectively handle almost any household task, but it takes around 150 minutes to fully charge. Even more, it offers laser-guided navigation to accurately map your home and avoid obstacles. It has a built-in HEPA filter that can remove almost all microscopic airborne irritants while it cleans, and a wide brush to clean a larger area with each pass, which makes it ideal for homes with multiple pets. Its Neato companion app is easy to use and features no-go lines that allow you to keep it out of specific areas, and it can save up to 3 different floor plans to accommodate multi-story homes. It also offers enough suction power to remove smaller particles such as dust and pet hair with impressive cleaning times for the price. While it's not as powerful as the more expensive Roomba options on this list, the Neato Botvac D7 Connected is a solid all-around option that comes with some useful features and good performance for a lower price. Some users might be looking for a versatile robot vacuum that can deliver a comprehensive, thorough clean on hardwood or tiles. The Roborock S5 Max is my choice as the best robot vacuum and mop combo in 2022. The S5 Max is a multifunctional cleaning tool that can effectively vacuum, mop, and detail your home. It has plenty of useful features, including self-adjusting brushes, a Lidar navigation system for precision cleaning, and impressive suction power to eliminate more particles. It has a rounded design with a low profile that can fit underneath most furniture, and it comes in white and black color variants depending on your preference. I like that it can easily maneuver on most floor types, and you get self-adjusting anti-tangle brushes to consistently deliver optimal cleaning performance, which makes it well-suited for pet owners. It also utilizes a precision Lidar navigation system and adaptive route algorithms for improved cleaning efficiency and more accurate mapping. The battery is another solid feature, and it produces up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning time to effectively clean bigger areas. You can connect it with the Me Companion app to create customized cleaning zones, view footage from the built-in camera in real time, and save up to 4 specialized cleaning maps for multi-room vacuuming. This is very important because the S5 Max can tell the vacuum where not to mop to avoid accidents. I also like that it's Alexa compatible, so you can start or stop a cleaning cycle using voice commands. The mop head is tightly wrapped to deliver streak-free mopping with most types of flooring, quick drying times, and it allows you to adjust the water flow settings for each room. In vacuum mode, the motor delivers an outstanding 2,000 PA of suction power to clean hard floors and eliminate stubborn dirt from fabrics, although it's less effective on high-pile carpet. The Roborock S5 Max offers outstanding performance with multiple cleaning applications and a useful companion app to differentiate itself from the competition. Although it lacks the vacuuming power of the similarly priced Botvac D7, its solid suction power and added mop function deliver comprehensive cleaning functionality. If you have a lot of hardwood or tile in your home and want a great vacuum that can effectively clean hard floors and carpets, this might be the best choice for you. The big brother to the Roomba i7 Plus is the Roomba S9 Plus, and in my opinion, it's the best overall option currently available. The S9 Plus comes with several similar features to the i7 Plus, such as an automatically emptying dustbin and a feature-rich companion app, but it also offers superior power, some useful additional features, and top-tier cleaning performance. It has a D-shaped design that can clean closer to walls and in tight spaces, and it stands 3.5 inches tall to pass underneath furniture. You get a wide array of sensors that can effectively map your floor after only a few cycles, a careful drive mode that detects obstacles, and LED indicator lights that provide useful status updates. I also like that it has a large dustbin and can hold up to 60 days of dirt, which means it's appropriate for larger spaces, and it offers a convenient self-emptying function. It has a Wi-Fi-enabled companion app that offers several useful features, including the ability to control the vacuum from your smartphone, customize cleaning routines, set cleaning schedules, draw room boundaries, and set no-go zones for sensitive areas. It also has voice assistant capabilities and supports Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. The 3-stage cleaning system delivers superior cleaning performance and more suction power than lower-end models like the Botvac D7, so it can effectively remove stubborn dirt and grime from nearly any type of flooring, though it can be somewhat loud while in use. It comes with a range of advanced features, such as automatic surface detection to optimize suction power. I like that the dual rubber brush system doesn't tangle or clog, and you get a high-efficiency allergen filter, which is ideal for cleaning up after pets. The Roomba S9 Plus is the best overall robot vacuum because of its durable brushes, impressive navigation and obstacle detection, self-emptying dustbin, and superior cleaning performance to the cheaper models on this list. I would recommend this if you can afford the price and want a powerful robot vacuum that can effectively clean stubborn messes in larger spaces. If you're looking for a high-quality robot vacuum that delivers enough cleaning power to be effective on almost any variety of flooring, the Roborock S7 Plus is my choice as the best robot vacuum for multiple floor types in 2022. The Roborock S7 Plus is one of the most expensive robot vacuums on the market, but it comes with a multi-stage HEPA air filter, a built-in mop with 3 scrubbing levels, and powerful suction to keep your home clean. It's relatively large at around 3.8 inches tall, and it has a raised mapping sensor in the center, so it might not be able to easily pass underneath low-profile furniture. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a remote, but you can control it with the 3 physical buttons or through the Roborock companion app, which allows you to customize cleaning zones, create virtual walls, configure settings, and more. It's also compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri voice commands for hands-free control over your vacuum. The battery is another solid feature, and it's rated to deliver around 115 minutes per charge on balanced mode to complete larger tasks. It offers up to 2,500 PA of suction power to effectively eliminate stubborn dirt from harder floors and carpeting, although it tends to run relatively loud when vacuuming carpeted surfaces. Like the Roborock S5 Max we mentioned earlier, it comes with a built-in mop to provide greater flexibility, except it also utilizes sonic vibration technology that can scrub up to 3,000 times per minute for more effective cleaning. I like that it offers ultrasonic surface detection, so it automatically lifts the mop when it detects carpet to avoid accidents. It also comes with a multi-stage, washable HEPA filtration system to remove airborne allergens and unwanted odors. The Roborock S7 Plus is the best robot vacuum for multiple floor types because of its impressive battery life, several built-in smart features, mopping function, and superior cleaning performance to the cheaper models mentioned. If you don't mind the price and want a robot vacuum that can deliver comprehensive cleaning on almost any household surface, this might be your best bet. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.